Hello, my name is Teresa Childers, and I am in my last semester at EKU. I am getting my degree, bachelor's degree in business, and right now I work at a detention center, and I already work in finance. That's what I enjoy doing. I hope to continue my career in finance if it's in a detention center or somewhere else, but administration is what I really enjoy. I look forward to learning this class and seeing what is ahead. And I'm super excited that this is honestly my last class before I get my bachelor's degree. I look forward to getting to know each of you, and I hope that honestly it goes by pretty quickly. Mr. Snodgrass, I actually had you when I was in high school, which is so funny that you taught at South Hopkins High School and you're my very last professor in my college. Thank you, and I look forward to getting to know everyone.